Yobo.
What's up, man?
The talent. There's the talent. What's going on, man?
Not much.
Start it?
I would love to.
I mean, it's up to you.
Thank you.
That's loud.
It's a little bit. Just a tiny bit loud.
Dude, that is obnoxious on start.
Look at Jake out there. Jake's, what is he doing? Oh. Jake's vlogging. Dude.
This is unbelievable.
You have no idea. I've been dying for you to see this. I know.
I have no words.
I know. I know. Look how fucking dark. Hold on.
What do you mean dark? I was in Florida like 4 weeks ago.
My guy right here is 16 years old.
Hell yeah.
Like, would you have known?
You would have served me drinks.
I mean, I'm
like
served
21.
them
Junior in high school. Come on. So I bought this thing for $4,500 about last year during the same time. It come with that grill. So I painted it black and then didn't put clear coat on it. So rocks and everything just started chipping away at it over like an entire year. But with the $4,500, it came with the $5,000 APR KO4 kit. So it's got about 330 wheel horsepower, 360 wheel torque. That's more than mine. That's more than mine. That's more than my car. On the no, we're not pulling. It has a stock intercooler, so the heat soak is unbelievable. It hasn't, the intercooler is about this big, and it hasn't been cleaned in 12 years. I've got a Unitronic intercooler that's on the way. It's being manufactured right now.
Just in time for the car to blow up.
Right, exactly. It's at 170,000 miles. She hasn't given me many problems just yet.
Harper, Cortez. Just tell me if you want to come up and pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drip and I fit it up. Hop in my car and get it. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. You see the drip and I fit it up. Hop in my car and get it. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. I've been on the flex. Put it all in your eardrums. I ain't never scared like Bone Crush. Boy, I got God, don't fear no. Oh, left. Oh, yeah, right. I was to pay for parking. I got you.
Okay. Yeah, you gotta see her in this light.
We're gonna be there soon.
We made it.
Oh, is that what I think it is?
Yep, it's Coda Man. Did we just get here?
Perfect timing.
Damn, okay.
This is sick. Fucking unexpected. Hey, I hate you. You stink.
You gotta tell me what the plans are for the Porsche.
What are the plans for it? Stop driving it for a minute. I've been driving it year round.
We haven't even gotten a chance to look at it. I gotta look at this thing. Not good. Look at this. Oh damn. The only one here with sensible tires on. Look at this. Minimalist. This is a track car. This is a track car. Weight saving.
Can't hear you again.
She's trying to. Well, she's trying to get out.
May I touch your car? It looks so.
I know. Feel it. Feel it. Feel it.
What?
I know.
What the hell?
I know.
So
the weird texture, right? Yeah. Yeah, that's right.
Straight, yep. Straight.
There we go. See, this is the way to deal with it.
There we go.
If they don't flip out, that is. Thank you.
Yay!
Thank you so much.
No
Oh my
problem.
God, thank you, Steph.
No problem.
Oh my God, she hit it! Call the police!
She hit it. Oh no!
Look what she did!
She hit him. She hit him.
Oh
my
you
God.
let me borrow
Holy shit.
months ago that
Look at
I'm
that.
finally just returning
Oh
to
my
you.
God. Oh, memories. Yeah, I don't think they really understand how bad these roads are.
See that? That I can't
There
even
was,
see
the
it on
roads
camera.
there look like this. And Jake is only an eighth of an inch off the ground.
That's so weird.
Oh. It's impossible to see what the hell it is.
My community service for the week.
Community service.
20 gallons. How much?
We make it fit.
We're gonna make it fit.
Are you serious?
I'm over here like.
That's the reason you just wanted this on camera, didn't you? You wanted to look like you were doing something.
Finally, I wasn't doing shit, and I was like, "Does it look like it though?" Oh, I think they can tell. Okay,
100K by the end of the year.
that's what I'm talking about.
By the end of this year,
That's exactly
I better.
right. 100K, yo.
I'm gonna be
Peace
pissed
out,
if not.
Yeah, good to meet
Peace
you.
out,
Be
bro.
pissed if not.
Cool.
Nice to meet you.
Yo, 100K.
I hope so. I'm trying. I'm trying.
Awesome day of filming. Boom. Bam. Bam. That one guy that wanted to see the wrap in the sunlight, and I upset him so bad to the point where he felt the need to call me an idiot. Here you go, buddy. Just for you. Because you're special. You're my special little guy, aren't you? Awesome day of filming. It was so good to get out. Taste that, yeah. Thanks again for Jake and Jeremy and Coda Man to come out. Also, my boy Lou came out. Lou, I miss you, bro. Let's make some videos together. And that's about it. That's all I got. Might start doing some videos on that, like I said before. I want to thank you guys again for 3,000 subscribers. I never got a chance to really thank anybody, but I do appreciate each and every one of you. Peace.